Hi everyone, I'm Wafa Lango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. We have today the third tense, that is future indefinite tense. Let's start its usage. We use this tense for future plans and activities. In this tense we always plan that what I will do this, I will do that. That is what your planned, you discuss your planned activities, what you are going to do in future. The important point number one, verb. Here in this tense we use first form of the verb, and helping verbs. Before, there were two helping verbs, will and shall, but in today's time shall is removed, not used as helping verb or primary verb. Keep in your mind, as modal auxiliary verb it is still used. Even shall is used with you, we, they, I, all subjects. We will discuss it in modal auxiliary verbs, but here as helping verb only we are using nowadays one, and that is will. Will is used with all subjects like he, she, it, you, we, they, I, singular names and plural names. We have got, as usual, five kinds of sentences. The first one we will discuss, simple sentences. Those sentences which make simple statement are called simple sentences. Formula for simple sentences is subject, helping verb, first form of the verb, object and full stop. I will ignore them. Ali will read the books. Now here that is the simple sentence. Negative sentence, those sentences in which we deny the statement or reject the statement and refuse the statement. Formula is subject, helping verb and then not. After helping verb we will put not, and then first form of the verb, object and full stop. I will not ignore them. Ali will not read books. And in the same way we have got interrogative sentences, those sentences in which we ask questions. For asking questions, keep in your mind, we bring helping verb at the beginning, after helping verb subject, then first form and then object. At the end we put question mark. Will I ignore them? Will Ali, okay, not will not come. Will Ali read books? And that is known as your interrogative sentence. Formal sentences, complete name of formal sentences, interrogative, negative, formal. Those sentences in which we ask question, deny the statement, and we ask them in a formal way, in a respective way, in a polite way, or we use it with our elders, or we use it in our written English. Formula is helping verb, subject, then not, first form of the verb, object and question mark. Example, will I not ignore them? Will Ali not read books? In the same way we have got fifth one, informal sentences, those sentences in which we ask question, deny the statement, and we ask them in an informal way. We use it with in our friendly atmosphere with our friends, or we use it with our juniors or youngers, and it is also used in your spoken English. Formula is helping verb and not. Keep in your mind, when helping verb and not come together, we change our helping verb into short form, and the short form of will not is want, and after that we put subject, then first form, object and question mark. Won't I ignore them? Won't Ali read this book? Now here that is known as informal. Keep in your mind, intonation you have to use. This you will say in a formal way, this you will say in an informal way. You will say, will I not ignore them? Won't I ignore them? Will Ali not read the books? Won't Ali read the books? This is called the intonation expression. How you are going to express your thoughts in a formal way, in a informal way. And again, I'll say practice makes a man perfect. Previous two tenses we had 10 sentences. Now we will be having 5 more, so there will be total how many sentences? 15. So take your verb, make 15 sentences from the first tense. You will start it from cheat and take it to the future indefinite. Like you say, I cheat him, I do not cheat him, do I cheat him, do I not cheat him, don't I cheat him, I cheated him, I did not cheat him, did I cheat him, did I not cheat him, didn't I cheat him, I will cheat him, I will not cheat him, will I cheat him, will I not cheat him, won't I cheat him. He brushes teeth, he does not brush teeth, does he brush teeth, does he not brush teeth, doesn't he brush teeth, he brushed teeth, he did not brush teeth, did he brush teeth, did he not brush teeth, didn't he brush teeth, he will brush teeth, he will not brush teeth, will he brush teeth, will he not brush teeth, won't he brush teeth. Drive, I drive a car, I do not drive a car, do I drive a car, do I not drive a car, don't I drive a car, I drove a car, I did not drive a car, did I drive a car, did I not drive a car, didn't I drive a car. I ride, he rides a bike, he does not ride a bike, does he ride a bike, does he not ride a bike, doesn't he ride a bike. He rode a bike, he did not ride a bike, did he ride a bike, did he not ride a bike, didn't he ride a bike, he will ride a bike, he will not ride a bike, will he ride a bike, will he not ride a bike, won't he ride a bike. He catches the ball, he does not catch the ball, does he catch the ball, does he not catch the ball, doesn't he catch the ball. He caught the ball, he did not catch the ball, did he catch the ball, did he not catch the ball, didn't he catch the ball. He will catch the ball, he will not catch the ball, will he catch the ball, will he not catch the ball, won't he catch the ball. Hope you got today's tense. Wish you best of luck. Keep practicing, please. And now you have to practice 15 sentences. And see you next time. Allah Hafiz.